Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
I have coffee every single day. It's something I really look forward to, and I wanted to get some fancier mugs. These ones from YUNCAng have been absolutely perfect. I love how well they came packaged. There was no way that they could have been damaged at all in transport. But my favorite part is that they are dishwasher safe, which is amazing because a lot of glass coffee mugs are not. And I use these every single day, and I don't want to add any more dishes to the dishes I already have to do. I love being able to watch my coffee brew, especially since I have this maker that has the foam on the top. I also love that you are able to see how much milk you're putting in. So if you judge by color like I do, I know exactly when my coffee is perfect. I had planned to use these for guests, but I decided instead that I was going to use them every single day because they are so easy to take care of, and they're also double wall insulated, so they are never too hot to hold, which a lot of my other mugs are.
I love everything about these mugs. I love the look of them, that they are dishwasher safe is a high point for me. And I also love how my coffee looks when I make it fresh. I feel like I'm sitting in a cafe drinking a coffee, which makes me feel a little bit fancier at home. I highly recommend these mugs. They are awesome and you will love them too. And that's my point of view.